Tiny channel here with another episode. In fact, this one's a special episode of The Big Boy. And today, I will go straight into the ratings. I have to say, I rate this train an instant 10 out of 10 along with sound, making this the first ever train to get the complete score. So, without further ado, let's get into it. The American Locomotive Company 4000 class 4-8-8-4 locomotive, popularly named the Big Boy, of course, is an articulated coal or oil-fired steam locomotive manufactured between 1941 and 1944 during the Second World War, and operated by Union Pacific Railroad until 1959. Build date 1941, 20 was built. 1944, 5 was built. Total produced altogether 25. Its fuel type is coal, being converted to fuel oil. Cylinders 4. Maximum speed 18 miles per hour. Not bad. Its final run was July the 21st, 1959, and only 8 was preserved. No, wait, 7 for display. 1 undergoing restoration to operating condition. 17 scrapped. And that is the end of this video. So, goodbye.